Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi naman talaga natin makukuha lahat ng energy ng water signs sa mundo. Kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. Ayan. And hopefully, no, mag-comment po kayo sa baba. Kahit po heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay na po yun para sa akin. So, sana po, okay, mahiya mag-comment. And, yan. Take only what resonates, guys. Let's start the reading. So, this is for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. For water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, let's start your reading. One last shuffle. Okay, thank you Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Simulan na po natin. Water sign. Seven of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, the Lovers, and the Strength card. Okay, may dalawang major arcana, which is the Lovers and the Strength card. Bottom of the deck, meron tayo ditong Knight of Swords, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Nakakakita tayo dito ng if you're in a relationship, pagpapatibay ng relasyon, ng connection. Pero if you're single, I feel like may mga tao sa paligid mo na pwedeng nagiging maganda yung relationship nila because of you. Kumbaga kahit papano nakakatulong ka sa kanila. Kasi sa halip na magkaroon ng pag-aaway, pwedeng nandyan ka maybe as a friend to give them advice kung ano yung dapat gawin doon sa pag-aaway na yon. High chance of pagta-travel para sa iba. Okay? There's this Knight of Wands and the Knight of Swords. These are the cards for traveling at nakikita natin yung malaking chance pagdating sa larangan or sa bagay na yan. With the Seven of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, kaya lang parang may decision dito na parang hindi magawa-gawa or hindi ma-actionan. With the Seven of Pentacles, I can see ng actually may nakukuha tayong success para sa'yo pero pwedeng hindi mo pa nararamdaman ngayon yun kasi maybe nasa isang sitwasyon ka pa wherein hindi mo pa mailabas kung ano yung full potential mo, no? Kung ikaw ay nasa isang career ngayon, may success dyan kung nasaan ka. Kaya lang yun nga, hindi mo pa nailalabas yung pinakagaling mo talaga. Okay? But in the near future, high chance na mailabas mo ito, no? Yung galing mo, pwedeng sa talent mo, and pwedeng kung nasan ka ngayon, dyan mo may lalabas ito at nagpapakita ng success ito para sa'yo. By the way, I can see a mother and child energy or pwedeng may alagang bata, ganyan, baby. For some of you na may ganong energy, I can see bonding, love, respect, no? And nakakita tayo dito ng happiness sa'yo and that person or yung child na energy dito. And for water sign, kuha tayo ng messages for water sign pagdating sa love. Okay, so pagdating sa love, Seven of Wands is here, followed by the Judgment, the Queen of Cups, and the Page of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius energy. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Pagdating sa love, nakakakita tayo dito ng offer. But with the Seven of Wands, I feel like um, yung iba may takot eh. Ilag may takot. If you're single, I don't know, I feel like hindi mo maramdaman na makipag-connect dito sa taong to. Na although this person is willing to give you love, parang hindi ka pa ready, i-accept yon. And if you're in a relationship, sabi ko nga, may paglalim or pagtibay ng relasyon. With the Judgment, I can see a soulmate energy there. And I feel like this person, parang gusto niya makipag-usap sa'yo. A soulmate wants to talk to you. But you know, pwedeng may nagiging hadlang kung bakit hindi niya magawa ito. Okay? And messages for the future for you, water sign. In the near future, Ten of Swords is here. Ace of Wands, Eight of Swords, and the Three of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Scorpio energy is also here. Well, in the future, meron tayong, sabi ko nga, pwedeng high chance of pagta-travel. Be careful. Kasi nakakita ako ng either dun sa I can see pagta-travel, but pwedeng pagkakaroon ng problema while nandun ka sa lugar na yon. No, after the travel, kailangan mong doble yung pag-iingat. Kasi nakakita ko ng yung iba pwedeng may makulong. And this new beginning, pwedeng mag-end din siya agad-agad para sa'yo because pwedeng hindi mag-workout or hindi maging maganda right after nung pagta-travel na yon for you. High chance yung pagta-travel, pero yun nga, ingat-ingat ka doon sa lugar na pupuntahan mo. Dahil pwedeng may hindi magandang naghihintay na bagay sa'yo doon, so mag-ingat ka. And also, pagdating sa love, for some of you, if you're in a relationship, there's definitely a new beginning para sa inyo in the near future. Meron kayong mga bagay na sisimulan. And for some of you, if you're single, I can see high chance na magkaroon ng connection, pero pwedeng mag-end din agad. So, mabilis ang connection ito for you. What is the advice for our water sign? Ano yung advice dito? Well, the King of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. For some of you, the advice is, especially kung okay ka naman na sa sitwasyon mo, just enjoy yourself. And nakikita naman natin yung stability for you. So, enjoyin mo lang. And huwag kang magmadali. Huwag kang magpabago-bago ng desisyon. The advice for you is maging mas mature ka pagdating sa usapang financial. Kasi gaano man kalaki or kaliit yung kinikita mo, kung hindi mo alam kung paano i-handle ito, hindi magiging sapat lagi ito para sa'yo, 'di ba? Kasi kahit maging malaki yung kita mo, kung immature ka naman pagdating sa expenses mo, kulang at kulang pa rin yun, no? And yeah, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.